Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Facebook page not found in search. So let's get started. First of all, open Facebook and log into your Facebook page. On the right side, click on the menu icon. Scroll down and select the settings and privacy option. Next, go to settings. Scroll down a little and find the audience and visibility tab. From there, click on followers and public content. Make sure to change all the option to public as I have shown here. This will update your settings successfully. And that's it. Now your Facebook page is optimized for better audience engagement. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.